guys. If you're just starting out with text reminders in ServiceMonster 6, the process can be broken down into 3 essential steps. 1. Creating your text templates. 2. Setting your preferences under job reminders. And 3. Assigning which customers you want to receive text reminders. So, let me show you how to do that. Something to keep in mind before we begin. When sending out text reminders, the system will automatically default to the ServiceMonster phone number. If you want to change that setting, you can use Twilio, which is in Marketplace in the Navigator, and you can purchase a local number to take the place of the default. Feel free to give our support team a call for more information. Creating a text template is easy. Go to Settings in the Navigator, and then to Templates. Select the subtab SMS Templates. New SMS Template. Keep in mind that this information is customer-facing. This is the text your customer will see when he or she receives the text reminder. So we're going to want to give it a name, and then input your message. Notice you have a limit of 160 characters. If you include data tags, that's included in the 160 character total. Once you're done, don't forget to save it. Once your template is created, go back to Settings, and then to Job Reminders. Here's where we're going to set our preferences. So click on Preferences. Let me explain what this means. You can choose either preference. The option below dictates that you will manually create appointment reminders each time, but our recommendation is that you select the automatic option, especially if you're going through the trouble of creating templates. Be sure to save it. Once you've done that, assign a new notification setting. You're going to need to give it a name, make sure it's active. To deactivate, simply uncheck, and then select specific timeframes that you want this notification to be sent out. We suggest simply selecting before a job at the job time. This one is a bit more detailed. It lets you select a time and whether you want the reminder sent out to residential customers or commercial customers or all customers. So that would be before the job at 8 a.m. to all my commercial customers as an example. But for now, let's keep it simple. Click Save. The final step is to go to the individual accounts that you want to send text reminders to and activate them. I'm just going to go to a sample account. Next to their phone number, you'll notice a little thought bubble that says Can Text. Be sure to click on it. And now, whenever that customer books a job, they will receive text reminders. ServiceMonster 6 does not automatically assign text reminders to customers, so you have to manually go in and assign it. And that's all for text reminders. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.